Are you having a hard time when you are trying to build a team? In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the common mistakes that network marketers make when they are trying to build a team, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Usifiso Mhlongo here, Njomaneka Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can use the link on the video description below to subscribe. You know, one of the biggest mistakes people make when they're trying to build a team is not listening to their team members. Your team member might tell you, I just want to make an extra 1,500 rands every month. But because you have a lot of belief, you might say 1,500 rands per month is nothing. You can actually make 15,000 rands a month. Instead of working out a plan for them to make 1,500 rands a month, you start making a plan for them to make 15,000 rands a month. You know, a lot of people who are never exposed to this industry, they usually start out thinking small. And that's because they don't believe that it will work for them. You know, if you try to get your team to do what you want to do instead of what they want to do, they won't do anything. Help your team where they are and not where you are as regards to skill level and mindset. Another mistake that you can avoid is trying to impress your team with what you know. You know, even if you do impress your team members, it will work against you because they'll say, I can't do that. When you are training your team, your goal should be to get them to start taking action as fast as possible. Taking action is the only thing that will allow them and you to start making money. You know, one of the best ways to get your team to take action is by you setting an example. Do everything you want your team to do. Don't try to motivate them. Inspire them by your actions. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers.